situation when they are in the sharing mode. When they are in the sharing mode, this is all in this sharing mode, because this situation is where the area of freedom by the subordinates is more compared to the authority used by the leader. So we are, and since we have divided into n number of groups, and we are observing group related behavior, as in the how the group is formed, how the socialization happens in the group, how the work is distributed in the group, how in the process of carrying the responsibilities given to them, the skills are utilized in the group to finish the work within time frame given to them, and the process of collating the work given to them in different stages. So this is being observed at this phase where there is a balance in the continuum in terms of sharing and the freedom enjoyed by the subordinates and the minimal use of authority by the leader within a group thing. And so knowledge sharing we are observing, knowledge management we are observing, skills utilization we are observing, the capabilities to organize the work which is given to them within a particular time frame and processing the time frame and with quality and precision. And lastly, we are observing in them their ability to quickly disembark from the task given to them to take on a new task, to take on a new task. And proceed further. These are 5 things we are observing in them in a group, and these are 5 things we are observing the people in the group, and on the basis of this we will give a sort of a mental picture of the participants in the group work, and what more we can do in terms of training them, or if they require a training at all, so that this sharing thing, this sharing of the knowledge sharing, knowledge management, skills utilization, their ability to, once the work has been processed within the time frame, to quickly disembark on the task given, to take on a new task and continue with the thing, so that this thing revolves like a continuous cycle, and the sharing is the maximum here, because the more you share, the more you are able likely to develop the feeling of innovation, innovative thinking, organizational development and change and such things. So on that basis we make a sort of a mental picture of the people involved, mental map or knowledge map of things which involves all the 5 things, that would give a better accurate picture, and this we will do for all the groups. So it is a hectic activity, and since we will do it for all the groups and it's a hectic activity, so you have a better picture about your organization, about your staff and their capabilities to work within the group and share the knowledge which is their tacit knowledge or experiential learning, understanding on the basis of their past experiences, things. So how to harness, how to tap those things which are hidden in them but can be utilized in the longer, in the process of giving them better tasks, in the process of giving them more responsibilities, is understood through this kind of a training analysis program, and then designing a training program keeping in mind those specific things which have been observed in such a group activity. So you can see for example, the things that we observe in a group activity, that the particular points are that the collaboration, the collaboration is weak. Okay, so the collaboration needs to be worked on. So in this thing, suppose just we have one factor based on the basis of the mental map or the situation picture we have created, that collaboration needs to be worked. So how we will train the people on the aspect of collaboration. Since collaboration is a construct, it's a construct, and there are several things which are involved in how effectively collaboration is done in a group or within intergroup and intra-group. This collaboration is achieved